Double digits! That's what we're talking about. Day 10. That means two things. Actually, just one thing. It's day 10. One thing I do want to come on and say is last night, I think we got like 30 new subscribers. I want to say welcome to them, and that I'm so happy to have you here. Like, pretty awesome to see. And I think maybe that has to do with me connecting with an audience and kind of sharing a story that people can relate to. That being said, I always want to try to relate to my audience, and I want to do things that they understand, and that's the only way, you kind of create this movement, is people have to believe in you, they have to believe in what you're doing, they have to like you too. So my goal is to hopefully, build a relationship with you where you actually like me. I wanted to start I guess every day starts different. We always say that. Today is also different, but it's the same as every day because it's different. Same but different. I'll tell you guys something. It was pretty funny. I went over to my parents' place last night. So I walk in there, my dad, and he's like, how do you decide what to talk about? Like what becomes the topic of the day? And I'm like, I'm just like whatever I'm thinking about. And he's like, well, don't you write a script? Like, you have everything written out? I'm like thinking to myself, I come into the office in the morning, I sit down and I'm like, what am I gonna do today? And I talk to the camera. I'm like, this is every day we're living this together, Like, if I planned this out, it wouldn't be the same. So just like for those of you that are wondering if I had a script, if I knew what to talk about, I wanted to show you, my script. It's right here. I'm not sure if the lights are too bright and it washes out. Point is, there's no script, all right? We're going at this each and every day, new idea, one person, one camera, maybe multiple ideas, and we're spreading awareness. We're bringing the heat. I would tell you how excited I am, but I did that yesterday, so I don't want you guys to think I'm like the guy who cried wolf, but I got another exciting thing. That's all I got, Well, every day when you're excited about something, you get the jitters. I got the jitters again. Just wanted to check in with everyone. Still got a couple more hours till it's game time. The weather is not cooperating. It says that now it's supposed to stop raining for like an hour and then it's going to start again. So still figuring that out. I will bring you a video. There's no doubt about that. I'm just hoping that my plan goes accordingly. And you can probably see behind me, there's a huge stack of orders. So I just wanted to say thank you. Like, from the bottom of my heart, there's a ton of BCA breast cancer stripes, breast cancer laces, our new laces, all in there. This is amazing to be sending this out and to know that you guys are going to be rocking with us this month. So just wanted to say thank you and show my appreciation. It means a lot. We're on the move outside, no rain. Weatherman's wrong again. It's a quick walk. I'm not going to tell you where we're going. Plan actually might fail, but you got to be prepared to fail. So that'll be another lesson if it fails. We'll just have a failed video. Because I'm betting all on this video. I'm starting to feel a couple raindrops. I think I may have jinxed myself with whatever. Maybe making fun of the weather, man. About to walk in. Hopefully they're totally chill with us. See on the inside. Complete disaster. That's why you're not afraid to fail. That's why we're doing this. You get a lot of no's. For that one yes, that means something. The idea was we were going to iFly. We were gonna put the instructors in some sick shoes. We were gonna have them do flips. That party got rained on right away. It hurts. Doesn't feel good to hear a no. Actually, I told you this morning too, like we had this whole day kind of planned around that, and it failed. But let this be a lesson. You don't always get that yes. Not everything goes to plan. And I think that's when you're able to determine the winners from the losers, because right now, 3 o'clock, I need to produce a video for you guys. It needs to be something good. Every single day I need to improve. I need to up what is happening. And a no could completely take us down, or it could give us that kind of accelerator that takes us to the next level. I don't have an idea right now. It's never a bad idea to have a backup plan. I'm gonna think hard because I only got a few hours left, and I need to make this happen. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I can't say, oh, sorry, this person didn't let me do something, so it doesn't get done. That's not how it works. That's not how this world works. When you're gonna do something, you do it. When you're gonna put your effort behind something, you put it behind it. You don't put 50%, you don't put 75%, you don't put 90%, you put 100%, all right? And if it doesn't work, you find a new avenue to put 100% in till it does work. The world doesn't work in no's. We would never have gotten anywhere if you accept no's, okay? The world works in yeses, and it works in the people that won't accept no. Those are the people that move this forward. I figured out at least let you guys understand my experience so that you can learn from rejection. You can learn from this. That's what this is about. It's about learning. It's about spreading awareness. It's about being a good person. It's about constantly growing. You know, I walked into iFly about 6 months ago to ask if I could do some filming in there, and I had a great reaction. The problem was 6 months ago I didn't know how to work a camera, okay? I planned on bringing someone else to film. I was just asking for permission. Today, clearly the last 10 days I've decided I know how to work a camera, and I'm trying. I'm doing my best. I walked into iFly with my camera, with 4 pairs of shoes, a tripod. A lady walks up and says, hey, do you have any questions? I said, yeah, I actually do. You know, I started this company. We're trying to raise awareness for breast cancer. Duh. You know, and like this woman's wearing a pink ribbon on her shirt. I tried to film a little bit of her. I don't know if I got it, but she's wearing a pink ribbon on her shirt. My instructors are gonna be wearing iFly gear. You're gonna be filming it. I don't know what this video is gonna be used for. You need to talk to our manager in Texas. Like, lady, I got pink hair. I'm filming a video about raising awareness for breast cancer research. She said she has no problem with it as long as I get permission, but like, the point is, like, I'm not planning this to do in 2 weeks because it's not cool when you guys know what's coming, and like, the people at iFly, like, they're in a wind tunnel, okay? Like, it would have been cool had it been day of, like, I would have been excited about it. We would have gone the adrenaline rush together. Like, at the end of the day, it's a learning experience. You're gonna get a no. You're gonna hear no. When you try to push the limits, when you try to do things, you will get a no. You'll get 100 no's. You'll get 1,000 no's. But occasionally that yes is all you need. It is what it is. I'll take this no today. Screw the lady at iFly. I mean, she's a party pooper. Take it with a grain of salt. You hit each day hard, and if someone takes you down a little bit, use it as motivation to tackle the next. I'm not, like, it's not, I don't want to let you guys down. Like, this is, you guys are expecting a video, you're expecting something fun, you want to learn, you want to spread awareness. Like, I can't just sit in here, I gotta do something. So I'm gonna go to our favorite store, Blick Art Materials. We're gonna pick up some dope stuff, and then we're gonna pursue this idea that I have, and we're gonna make it count. But just like every day, we're in Blick. I just got help. I'm just picking out some glue for our arts and crafts project. Sure the differences. I'm not sure which one I should use. I'm gonna get both of them. Tacky glue, bang bang.
You're all set.
Alright guys, I'm back from Blick. And I got our supplies. Alright, I got a dozen eggs, a couple paint markers. We're gonna paint the eggs and then we're gonna throw them at iFly. I'm kidding. But I did get a paint marker, I did get some glue. The eggs isn't a bad idea. I'm not encouraging that. When someone says no, don't hit them with eggs. Just take it, and get on to the next thing. On to the next one. I didn't come up with this idea by myself. I saw it on Instagram. I just thought it was cool, and I have no idea how to do it, so we're gonna tackle this together, just like everything else. I have this wooden stool. You probably can't see it. It's probably too low. I'm not gonna pop out of it. Don't worry. Well, we've got a number of empty Adidas Boost boxes. I thought it would be cool if we cut up the Boost boxes, we recreate the stool, and we use the pink paint marker in the fast tack glue to paint all the white space pink, and then to glue the cardboard to the stool. I've never done anything like this in my life. I saw it on Instagram. I thought it would be cool. I'm pressed for time, all right? And this may take way longer than expected. So I'm probably gonna do time lapses. I think that's gonna be the easiest way. And then we're gonna finish with the world's coolest stool. Not the stool that comes out of your butt, the stool you sit on. Let's do it. a wrap. I'm gonna wait for those to dry. I just want to let you guys know it's gonna be a 2-part video. After this dries, I'll probably resume on Monday. But wanted to hit you guys with this. I'll still drop a video tonight so you guys can see the progress. Just know it's not finished. And lesson of the day, roll with the punches and keep it moving.